Yes.
What day is today?
No.
Thursday.
Birthday.
Happy Thursday, guys.
Happy birthday. Ow.
Oh, sorry. Do you want to brush your teeth now or after hair?
After hair.
Okay. Tapos na siyang kumain. Arlo still sleeping. School day today. Do you want me to do too? Like that?
No, I don't have to. You don't have to.
Yeah, but are we copying that?
No.
Yeah, she's got short hair.
Why not short hair?
You got long hair, baby. You got really nice long hair.
Why not short hair, mommy? I don't
Bilisan
short
natin to
hair.
kasi magbibihis pa ako. Ako maghahatid because wala na si Daddy. He went to work already. Very
He tell you
early.
this.
Is it ticklish? Eh. Aga-aga din sa work. Pag kaya niya, hinahatid niya talaga si Ayla. Walang problema dun. Yeah, kapag may mga maagang appointments or may mga maagang kailangan asikasuhin, ako. And wala akong problema dun kasi ako naman talaga dapat. But mamaya, siya yung magpipick up. Let's put hair wax today because hair is a bit crazy.
No, I don't want to put hair wax.
Okay, we won't. It's alright.
Mama, my hair nice.
I like your hair.
Yeah, I like my hair too.
We'll drop you off school.
Why?
Because Daddy's busy this morning, but Daddy will pick you up later in the afternoon, okay?
No.
So when you finish school, it's gonna be Daddy that's picking you up.
Oh,
Yeah, how fun is that?
did.
There you go. Beautiful. Yun pala ay the SNTE hair wax. We ordered it sa Amazon. And nung pag-order ko sa kanya, kasama na yung set. Sinama ko yung itong mga to. Para may set siya. Alright, you're done. Do you wanna brush your teeth? I'm gonna change. Si Arlo tulog pa din. Nakabihis na mi. Talagyan lang ko ng sunscreen.
Oh, that's me.
Okay.
Mama, I always have a baby.
Just a little bit.
Okay, Mama.
Kasi, alis kami ni Arlo. Well, alis naman talaga kami. Drop namin siya. But, i-order namin yung guys. Ayoko sabihin yung word kasi baka gusto niya sumama. Yung pumuputok. Pumuputok.
Mama,
Kasi sa weekend gagawin na namin yung reveal. Oh, you got a little bit. So, order ko siya today para i-pick up namin sa weekend. Intimate lang yung namin, reveal namin. Yung gender reveal. There you go. What time is it now? 8:06. Perfect. Na-ready ko na Ready na yung kanyang lunch box.
I'm very sick.
Backpack. No, you're 3. And then, si Arlo, yun nga, diretso yun sa car, guys, kasi tulog pa. Tagal niya natulog kagabi yung batang bail.
Who is it?
Huh?
Who is it?
Sure.
I don't want it.
You don't want it. So, mag-drive tayo dun sa orderan ng pumuputok na bagay. Alright. Okay, perfume ate. Let's use this one.
Oh, yeah.
This one.
Why, Mommy?
This is from Tita Mers.
That's for the bird.
Yes. Ooh.
Oh,
Oh, wow.
ow.
Bako din ka.
I want to wipe it off.
Why?
It's not for school.
Oh, it's not for school. What's for school then?
Only pat.
Only backpack. Okay.
And not box.
Okay. And lunchbox.
Yeah.
Alright. Got you, girl. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Go.
Huh?
Go.
Let's go. Wait, wait, what are we gonna bring downstairs? This, my camera. Put your socks on. Ang mahiwagang papel ay nandito. Ay, ayan. Pinold ko siya para
Mommy, this is a
hindi ko makita. Ayan, doktor lang. At saka pangalan ko.
This one, right?
It is the right way. Well done.
This one's easy.
It's easy. Okay, do the other one. So, lagay natin sa bag ang mahiwagang papel. So, ito yung ano namin, yung resulta ng aming harmony test na we did 10 weeks. So, nung 10 weeks ako, nagpa-blood test ako for yung ano, yun nga, yung harmony test para makadetect kung merong mga abnormality sa mga chromosomes and all that. And pwede din i-take na malaman yung gender. So, we did that at 10 weeks, guys. And now, I am 20 weeks na ako ngayon. Actually, magti-21 sa Monday. Tapos malalaman pa lang namin sa Sabado. Yes. Alright. Belly's ready. Paper's ready. Everything's ready. Sana nandun yung gender, no? Tapos pag sabihin, wala. Alright. And sana hindi madulas yung gagawa ng ating pumuputok na bagay. You got it? Let me see. Oh, no. No. The grip should be at the bottom. This one's almost perfect.
Maybe that's my rabbit floor.
Huh?
My rabbit.
Your rabbit?
I'm tired.
Yeah, when you come back from school.
No, we're going now.
Alright, go. Don't bring it because, tignan mo, nagpalit naman siya ng undies. Yeah, bring the mommy one, but leave it in the car because you can't bring that to school. You might lose it. I don't want you to lose it. It's a really nice toy. Alright. Pwesto ko lang tong isa.
No.
Lagyan na sapatos. Tapos, si Arlo, diretso na talaga sa car. Pagpaalis na talaga tayo. Tara, tara. Where are we, Arlo? Huh?
You
School?
don't know?
He doesn't. I think he knows. He's still waking up. We're here, Isla.
Yeah.
We're too early, though, so we can wait a little bit.
No, you're tired.
Ah, you tired?
I want to go now.
You want to go now? Okay, I'll take you out now. All right, let's go. Up.
Happy.
Isla, wear your backpack because Arlo wants me to carry you.
Mommy.
Okay, I'll carry you. Just wait.
Mommy.
Wait, princess.
Mommy.
Here, come on. Back in the car. Hintay-hintay lang tayo saglit kasi 9 pa mag-open yung Kmart. Tapos parang 10 pa mag-open yung Balloon Place. So, relax muna tayo. It's only 8:49 and malapit lang yung Kmart dito. Ay, actually, I'm gonna file my nail because look at my nails. Marami nang nabubuang ng mga nails. Nagdala ako ng nail file because it has been bothering me since last night. Ano siya, sumasabit sa mga kung saan-saan. Kasi nangyari, yan, yung tip, nasira. I think, I don't know, when can I get you done? Tonight's gonna be way too busy because it's late night shopping. So maraming magpapanails for sure ng gabi because alas 9 magko-close ang mga shops and the nail place. So baka Sabado ng umaga. Kaya ba ng Sabado ng umaga? Kasi sa Sabado na namin gagawin yung reveal. Snack? I actually brought breakfast for you. Do you want wraps? Okay, perfect. Good job, Alo. Pinalan ko siya ng breakfast kasi alam ko na tulog is life. Yay! Yummy! Oh my gosh, nakalimutan ko yung aking hopya. Nasa oven. Nilagay ko siya sa oven kanina kasi inisip ko dadalhin ko. Kalimutan ko, nandun pa yung hopya ko, guys. Okay. But I brought tubig. Because tubig is life. Alright, much better. More? Uy, wala na, boy. Oh yeah, there's more. Drink more. Ay! Silly Billy! Alright, let's go to Kmart. Get Spider-Man costume? Do you want Spider-Man? Are you Spider-Man? Yeah, okay. Let's go get Spider-Man! Spider-Man! Who's the Spider-Man?
That's my
You are Spider-Man. Alo is the Spider-Man? Nagtitingin-tingin ako ng mga costume sa kanya kasi kapag gusto ni Ayla mag-costume, wala siya guys, wala siyang kasya sa kanya. So one day, na nag-costume si Ayla, sinuotan ko siya ng Wonder Woman na costume ni Ayla nung bata pa si Ayla. Kasya sa kanya. But sabi ni Dan, hoy, bilhan mo yan ng ibang costume. So bilhan natin. Wala siya sa Target, nakailang balik na ako sa Target, wala talaga yung pang size niya. Meron malalaki na, like 3 to 6, ganun. So we'll go to Kmart because they have like parang 18 to 36 months, mga ganun dun. Dito na kami sa labas ng Kmart, nakapag-park na si Mami. Ayaw niya ng wrap, strawberry muna siya. Dito na tayo sa mga costumes. Kasi yung nakita ko for Arlo. Hello! Ayan, 3 to 5 years kasi. But may, ayun, toddler size. Hello! Who's this? Who's that?
mom.
Spider-Man! Shh, 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 shh. Are you Spider-Man? Is this yours? Is it for Arlo? Okay. It's for Arlo, boy. We'll get that one, okay? Meron sanang sobrang cute, kaya lang hindi toddler. Ang cute sana, oh. Arlo, who's this? Batman! Batman! It's too big. Too big. Too big. So big. So big. I think that's it, boy. May nakalabas. That's it, hello. Nasa fitting room kami. Iniwan ko lang yung pram sa labas. Kasi close yung malaki. Isa lang naman yung tatry ko, yan lang. Yeah! Para din makalabas siya sa pram niya. Help you? Alright, here. Ready, steady, jump! Ooh! Dito lang kami malapit sa Kmart. Check ko lang tong Bargain City if they do gender reveal balloon. Kasi malapit lang to sa amin. Where's T-Rex? May maingay na truck, guys. Kumakain kami ni Arlo. Sobrang sarap ng nasi goreng na in-order ko. Diyan kami nag-order. Pangalan. Roll up ang pangalan. Bye, truck. Say bye to the truck. See you later, truck. And nakabook ako ng balloon online na malapit lang dito. O, diba? Hindi ko na kailangan pumunta dun sa malayo. Ito yung pagkain namin ni Arlo. Ang sarap niya, nasi goreng na may barbecue pork. Sobrang sarap niya. Lapit na maubos. Basta na may itsura natin dyan. Bumalik kami sa Kmart after namin kumain doon para bumili ako nitong card. Wala naman kaming pagbibigyan, guys, but I just need an envelope for the... Actually, kahit yung plastic kaya na. Para lang hindi mabasa. Kasi yung papel, iiwan ko lang siya, guys. Oh my gosh. I thought na-reveal ko yung gender sa akin. Nakita ko lang dito, my goodness. In-explain niya lang na pwede siyang maging male or female, pero hindi talaga sinabi na. Kasi nasa, sa likod to, my gosh. Wait, lagay ko lang siya dito. Yung nakakita yung pangalan natin. And I want this paperback as well. So, sana. Oh, wait. Ganyan na lang. Ayan. Alright. That's good. I-drop lang natin kasi hindi siya shop yung pupuntahan namin. It's just a warehouse kung saan sila gumagawa ng mga party balloons nila. So, iwan ko lang siya dun sa ano nila. Sa pintuan. Ay, nabayadan ko na din siya. So, all good. Alright, drop lang natin to. It's only 4 minutes away from here and then uwi na tayo. So, hindi siya ganun kalayo sa bahay. Yung isa kasi malayo kasi yun. Yung puntahan ko sana, yung same na pinagkunan namin kay Arlo.
Head south towards.
And then we'll go home, tapos magdanap yan si Arlo. And hopefully maka-edit ako, ewan ko. I need to sleep as well. Wala akong enough na tulog na naman. We're home. So, na-drop ko na yung papel natin dun sa warehouse. And, hapon na pala. 2 something na guys. Natulog kami, dalawa ni Arlo. Katulog ako. It didn't feel like a long nap, but I think it was enough. Para kasing, nung nagising ako kasi nagising na si Arlo, wala, para ako hindi nakatulog. Pero nakatulog ako for sure. Ang daming sale na kay Mart. So, napadami yung ating laman ng ating bag. Pag ito talaga yung pinunta natin doon, tingnan natin yung size. Meron pang kasamang mask. Hello, who's this? Spider-Man! Do you want Spider-Man? Oh my gosh, you should wear it so when Daddy comes home, he'll see you. Oh my gosh. So 80 cm to 100 cm.
Yeah.
Perfect! Masyadong mahaba, but ito na yung pinakamaliit kasi. It's a toddler size. Do you wanna wear it now?
Yes, we it.
Wear it? Okay, come here. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Oh, Spider-Man! Are you Spider-Man? Oh, good. Do you wanna wear the mask? This one? Spider-Man! Oh my gosh! Seriously? I don't mask. I like it. Look at Mama. Do you wear it? No. Okay. I like it. Too big neck?
Yeah.
But that's okay.
It's nice.
It's nice? That's good. Kiss Mama. Mwah, love you. Huh? Do you like it?
I want it.
You don't like it? Nah. Maano siya guys? Hindi siya komportable. Makati. Alright, let's take it off. Alright, take it off. Sorry. Nilagay ko sa box kasi feeling ko ibabalik ko siya. Ito guys, mura na lang. $2 na lang. So ilalagay ko siya sa box. Originally $8. So nakasale na siya ng $2. Pang pang workout ba? Ni Mama, ganun. Itong lahat, tag $2 each lang. So, kinuha ko yung mga feeling ko kasya sa mga tao dun. Sports bra, from $12. $2 na lang. So, pangdagdag sa box kasi hanggang ngayon hindi pa puno yung box ko. This is a good one. It's like Everlast na Lux. $12. $2 na lang. Dalawang white top yung binili ko. Kasi ang ganda-ganda ng quality niya, guys. Magkano ba ito originally? Yun nga yung 8. Pang Zumba. Oh. And more here. Dinalawa ko din to. Pamigay ko lang dun sa mga tao dun. Ganda ng tela. Sa workout section nila to eh. Ay, gusto ko kainin yung persimmon pala. Alright, time to eat. Try this fruit. I've never tried this. This is a persimmon. Ganito yung itsura niya. Para siyang malaking kamatis. Diba? But matigas siya. Lagi ko siya nakikita dun sa Asian shop na binibilhan namin. Do you wanna try this fruit, Alo? May napanood akong video na. Oh yes, why? Wala siyang lamang mga seeds. Okay. Ang alam ko kakainin yung balat nito eh. A baby! So cute! Sinerch ko kasi kung paano siya kainin. Kasi never ko pa nga siya na-try. You wanna go outside? I like it. Let's go. Let's put clothes on first. Clothes on. Oh, so cute. Outside? You can't reach it. That's okay. Mommy, help. Go.
Bye, Mommy.
Bye, boy.
Bye, Mommy.
Bye, baby. Bye, baby. You look guapo. Bye, baby. So cute. A spider? Cute niya. That's a seesaw. Seesaw. Go on the slide. Go on the slide, go. Hindi ko alam kung napakita ko na to sa inyo, but may bunga na pala yung aming ano guys, yung aming dwarf mandarin. Ayan, nag-iisang bunga. Matagal na yan siya dyan, tas wala pa din sumunod. Parang mas gusto ko siya kung walang balat. Yung balat niya medyo mas makapal kaysa sa apple. Yeah. Siguro balatan ko siya. But masarap siya. Yum. You wanna try? No. Kanina sabi ko, okay yung lasa. Hindi ko na kayang kainin yung last. Naano na ako sa kanya. Nagsawa na ako sa kanya. And I don't think makakain ko pa yung prutas na yun. Okay na ako sa kanya. Tapos na ako. Alam ko na yung lasa. Hindi ko na siya bibilhin ulit. Ewan ko. Parang after nung last piece before that, sabi ko tama na. Parang, naumay na ako sa kanya agad. So now I'm eating my. Wanna try this? Gusto niya umalis na kami. Pick up daw namin si ate. Daddy's picking her up. Shh. Go knock on the door. Si ate, where are you? Where's ate? She's gone? Yeah. Aww. Do you wanna pick up ate? Aww. You listening? Where's ate? Where did ate go? Knock knock. Ate, open. Lo, sige, strong boy. Oh. Strong. Who's a strong boy? You're a strong boy. Naghubad na yan ng sapatos sa Ella. Hello! How was school, babe? Was it fun? Where did you go? Did you have fun? What did you do at school? You painted, and what else? You played? And what else?
And I made the dinosaur for Apple.
Did you really?
Yeah.
You made a dinosaur for Arlo? Where is it?
It's on the dinosaur.
Okay, go! Arlo, Ate made a dinosaur for you, she said. She made a dinosaur for you, boy. You made a dinosaur for him?
Yeah.
Where?
Oh.
Huh?
But
Let me see. Was it a drawing?
a painting one.
A painting. Is it this one on the side? Is it? No. Oh no. Where is it? Did you put it here? This is for your lunch. Oh. You finished it. Well done. Yeah, good job. Hi, boy. I think Ate lost the dinosaur boy. Aww. Oh, well done.
Thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, baby. Look at Isla's snack. I lunch.
It's everything.
It's empty, yeah. Sorry, Alo. Oh no. Ate doesn't have it. Give me your bag again. I'll check your bag again. Maybe you left it in the classroom, baby.
My Mommy.
Maybe you left it. You made a dinosaur. No, it's not here. That's okay.
My Mommy.
Next time we'll get it.
Hey, Mommy.
Dinner time.
Mommy.
Ingay ng mga anak ko. Yan yung akin. Ito yung kay Dan. Steak. Steak na parang lamb. Parang lamb, tas ngayon parang mukhang isda na. Tapos na kumain ng kids. Ito yung pork belly ko, pinakuluan tapos in air fry. Kain tayo guys.